The Vermont General Assembly is the legislative body of the state of Vermont, in the United States. The legislature is formally known as the General Assembly, but the style of legislature is commonly used, including by the body itself. The General Assembly is a bicameral legislature, consisting of the 150-member Vermont House of Representatives and the 30-member Vermont Senate. Members of the House are elected by single- and two-member districts. 58 districts choose one member, and 46 choose two, with the term of service being 2 years. The Senate includes 30 senators, elected by 3 single-member and 10 multi-member districts with 2, 3, or 6 members each. It is the only state legislative body in the United States in which a third party has had continuous representation and been consecutively elected alongside Democrats and Republicans. The Vermont General Assembly meets at the Vermont State House in the state capital of Montpelier. Biennial terms commence on the first Wednesday following the first Monday in January.